Good morning, guys. Good morning. They say, Catalia, be careful. I have the coffee. She has been waiting. Catalia has been waiting for ages for me to turn on this camera.
Because
Oops.
I was a little bit excited because I love when Daniela does videos.
Okay.
And
It's hot, huh? It's warm.
yeah, it's warm.
Yeah, so she's been waiting for ages. So, anyways, we're gonna vlog today, Catalia. Okay? We're
Yes.
gonna vlog.
And-
Alright.
First of all, did you like the subscribe button?
Yes, like, share, and
Subscribe.
subscribe. And
And
we
turn on
have
the
a
post
series
notification.
coming, guys. You don't want to miss that series.